some of that roughhousing by Alakverdiev. Just a little bit of him being just frustrated because he wasn't expecting Guzman to start doing this.
Work they accomplished. In WTF 365 airs Tuesdays at 5:30 p.m., Thursdays at 1 a.m., and Sundays at 10 p.m., all Eastern, in WTF 365.
Well, the last 2 rounds, Guzman has done a great job. He's won them both on my scorecard. Round 6 and 7, he's won with his movement.
There it was again, on the same trip.
Yeah.
Guzman is not getting his foot outside of...
This time, I think he's hurt. He twisted his knee or his ankle.
Yeah, he's pointing at his leg.
Oh, the referee calls time.
He definitely tripped right over his...
The crowd doesn't like it, but the fact is, this has been happening over and over, and you can certainly get hurt when your leg turns like that and you get tripped.
Sure.
I hope he didn't rip anything. I hope it's just a temporary thing, because we are looking, gentlemen, at one of the fights of the year.
It's the easiest thing in the world to be sitting here like we're doing and saying, he should be putting his foot over here, which he should be, but not so easy to do when you're in there being assaulted.
Exactly.
Guzman is limping. We're going to see.
Wow, what a flurry by Hабиб Allahвердиев, and he's not done.
He's after him now. Guzman is looking to turn the tide here by landing one punch. That's a punch landed.
And Guzman goes down.
That was a punch landed. I'm surprised Babon isn't giving him a count for this.
I think it's his leg.
I think this is going to be over. This is going to be over. And of course,
he's looking towards his corner saying he can't continue. I don't know if it was his leg or the shot that Alakverdiev landed, because he was throwing punches right back, not complaining about his leg. He started complaining about his leg after he got dropped.
The doctor is in the ring, taking a look at his knees.
If we get a chance to look at the replay, guys, he was moving with Alakverdiev. He was trying to land a punch on Alakverdiev. Didn't complain about the leg. It was once he went down and got hit by Alakverdiev that he said, "Oh, my leg hurts." I don't know, guys, a little bit questionable.
He was clearly, look at his face, he was clearly hurt.
Stand corrected. I don't see a punch there.
No, he didn't land a punch, and it goes back to that sort of question that we talked about a little bit ago about the roughhousing. The fight was getting rougher and rougher and rougher. Sometimes this is how it ends up.
And if you score that round and then go to the scorecards, I've got Alakverdiev winning at 77-74.
I've got it scored exactly the same, Kamish. 77-74, Alakverdiev.
Well, here in the corner, the doc, they've got ice on the knee of Guzman, on the left knee. It appears that he twisted his left knee.
Now, going into that round, I had Alakverdiev up by 2 points. I gave him that round, and he wins it by 3 on my card. So he was ahead by 2. I've got him winning by 3. Of course, we are just unofficial.
I think we have a decision, so let's go to the ring announcer, Bob Alexander.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the BB&T Center in Sunrise, Florida, your referee in charge, Luis Pabon, stops this bout in the 8th round. He rules an unintentional foul. Juan Guzman suffers an injury. He is unable to continue. By Florida rules, we go to the scorecards. Judge Michael Pernick scores the bout 76-75 Alakverdiev. Judge Nelson Vasquez scores the bout 76-75 Guzman. Judge Mark Streisand scores the bout 76-75. For the winner by split decision, Khabib the Hawk Alakverdiyev.
Can you say rematch?
Wow. I think definitely we need to see a rematch there. Hhabib Allahu the winner, and adds